This looks like a death trap. This looks like a really bad idea, and yet I'm gonna do it. That's pretty. Fuck, I didn't think you would need it. Guys, I'm pretty sure you can see the sweat. That's how hot the place is. I think they said Monday was like the hottest day on earth. Like what? Like what? Like what? But yeah guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lane. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe button. We are almost at 2K subscribers, guys. Like how? Like when? Like where? Like who? Like who authorized this? Who? But anyways, guys, pleasure to see you. I think the last time I uploaded a video was like a month ago, and I really need to be more consistent with my uploading. I mean, come on, Lane, get yourself together. All right, so we're on our way to the venue. The gate opened at 12 noon, but we decided to go a little bit later. We got there like I want to say 3 p.m. because we had some stuff to do, and the place was hot, so we was just kind of giving the venue some time to cool down. And nobody wants to be too early to a venue. So we got there at 3 p.m. They had this really cool setup with like the whole jerk festival kind of theme with some red ensemble and like a jerk pan, which was pretty cool. We got some nice photos there. Lighting was good. I like the little ceiling flowers thing. I don't know. I'm a sucker for colors. And then we just kind of walked around to see what they offered. They had a lot of like jerk stuff. They had jerk octopus, jerk fish, jerk pork. Wanted to play it safe, so we just got some safe stuff, and then we decided to just walk around and feel out the vibes. See that? That looks nice.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. If all the things you never show, there are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart to slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
And then after all that jumping, flicking and falling, I had to grab myself something to drink, so I got a lovely strawberry tropical blend smoothie and then carry on.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the never could have moved away, but now I seek what you teach. I do believe I always